Hi, my name's Balefyren. I've been lurking around on YouTube for quite a while now, and I've finally plucked up the courage to post my work. You can find me on most social medias under the same tag. I will leave some links below if you're interested. I must apologise for this footage, it's not the greatest. It was recorded a while ago for Twitch, I do believe. My head keeps getting in the way, I'm so sorry about that. I have a couple of older videos on YouTube, but this is the first time trying to post a video with more depth. So, a little bit of background about me. I've been creating for over 15 years now. I primarily paint fantasy-based artwork. I work digitally and traditionally. When I work traditionally, I use ink and watercolour mostly. 3 years ago, I decided to make my art my profession. I'm not there yet, unfortunately. I'm still grinding and I'm still growing every aspect of my journey. I've been really nervous about joining YouTube, properly. It's always been so intimidating to me. But I had some old footage, like I say, lying around, and I'm now trying to learn Premiere Pro, so I thought about giving it a real try. So enough about me and more about this piece of art. This piece was done for Inktober 2019. I do believe the prompt was overgrown. This piece was done primarily using Sumi ink. I also used red calligraphy ink for the flowers, silver acrylic ink for the eyes, Posca and fine liner pens for the finishing touches. I love Sumi ink. I was introduced to the medium by another artist friend of mine on Twitch by the name of Maddy, and if you don't know who Maddy is, you really need to check her out. I'll leave some more links below. I think it's a very forgiving medium. It lays down quite dark, as you can see here sometimes, but it dries much lighter, so you don't have to worry too much if you go in too dark. You can always lift the ink too with paper towels if needed. I like how this turned out. I was using a statue as a reference. It had a very sort of mossy, gritty texture to the skin / stone, and I think I captured the texture from the reference pretty well. I also added flowers and rings of leaves to add to the theme of overgrown. Anyway, I think I've talked enough about the piece of art. I'm going to leave you with some funky music and the rest of the painting process. I hope you enjoy. Please feel free to leave comments below and let me know how this video went. Thank you so much for listening and being a part of my art journey. Goodbye. Lost in an endless maze, the emptiness had a fall.